like the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.
So we have a standoff right here, guys. We have a standoff. Sizing you. Sizing you. This is in the middle of the street, you know, guys. See it? It's on the middle of the street. Yes, today we have a new plant, at least new for me. This is called the autograph tree or the balsam apple. They say it's endemic to Jamaica, but it's the first I've ever seen this plant. If you guys ever seen this plant before, please meet us. Today we'll be propagating these hibiscus. We had them overgrown on a tree, so we remove them. So now we are gonna propagate them. We already have the pots.
Please don't scroll. I'm just trying to become a big content creator one day, but I have no supporters. So if you have the chance, please subscribe.
Duranta gold propagation with no rooting agent. Guaranteed to root in the next 2 weeks.
The Burmese redwood. Known for its striking crimson bark and vibrant sap, this rare beauty holds stories as old as the earth itself. Today, we step closer, machete in hand, to witness its unique colors and the secrets it shares with the land. Search Me Heart is a traditional Jamaican herb, rich in antioxidants. It supports healthy circulation.
Yeah, guys, I'm back with the fact that snake plant, if ingested, will give you diarrhea, headache, skin rash, and vomiting. That's a personal experience from the first time I propagated this plant. Did you guys know that the original coffee beans were so small? Yeah, this is a real organic coffee tree. It hasn't been fertilized. Look at the beautiful berries. Yeah, ready for harvesting. We'll be harvesting soon. Stay tuned.
Yo, can I be real for a second? There are so many small creators out there, holding out with barely anything, editing every day, every night, on cracked phones, broken mics, just holding on to one dream, that one day they'll become a big YouTuber. But the results? No matter how good the video is, y'all scroll, like it's nothing. Bro, if you see a small creator's video, at least like it, or subscribe if you can. You have no idea how much that means, because so many creators quit. Not because they weren't good enough, but because nobody cared. And for all the small creators watching this, use this sound. And let's help each other reach 1,000 subscribers. We all deserve that shot.